In this video, we will go over using the Island Cloud Console to view your Veeam Cloud Connect usage. To do this, log into the Island Console at console.islandcloud.com. Your credentials to this site will be provided by an Island project manager. In this console, you are able to view all of your backup repositories. On the left-hand side, I can see both of my tenants which back up to Island's Dallas and LA sites. So if you back up to multiple Island data centers, or if you're a reseller managing several different customer Veeam backups, you can view all of your tenants through the Island console. Under the dashboard view, I can quickly see my total storage and storage used for each cloud repository. LA is a new environment I set up and hasn't really been used yet, but I can see in my Dallas repository I have 62% of my storage used. If I drill down to my Dallas tenant, I'll be able to see my storage usage over time as well as past results for my backup copies for this tenant. I can also set up storage usage alerts for my tenants. These alerts will notify me if my cloud repository usage goes above a set percentage. For example, I can set my alert threshold for 60% on my Dallas tenant, which is currently using 62% of my storage. The console will notify me the next time my job runs as the storage used in my cloud repository will be above my alert threshold. We're also able to manage users in the console at a tenant level basis. For example, let's say that I only want certain users to be able to view my LA repository, but not my Dallas repository. With my LA tenant selected, I'll click on User Management at the top right. Next, I can make a brand new user that will just have access to my LA repository. Once I have the information here filled out, I'll click on Save, and then I can import this user to my LA tenant. Only the users that are imported to a tenant are able to see that tenant's information in the Island console. So when I log in as my new LA test user, I will only be able to see the LA tenant and not the Dallas tenant. Lastly, you're able to see the billing information and history under the Billing tab in the Island console. For my lab, there is no billing information, so I just have a blank screen here, but a production environment will show the current and past month's invoice information. For any questions or issues that come up using the Island Cloud Console, please reach out to the Island Technical Support Team or to your Island Project Manager.